Once you know the benefit of email marketing, then I guarantee you that you're not going to stop yourself for doing and applying this email marketing technique, from growing your business, from growing yourself on these social media platforms. If you have a business or if you want social presence, then you can use email marketing to grow and leverage your audience. That's all I'm going to teach you right in this series, where I'm going to pick one email marketing software, Sendinblue, and I'm going to give you a complete tutorial A to Z, that how you have to open account, how you have to import all existing contact, how you have to design your subscription form, how you're going to design your email template which you're going to automate through Sendinblue automation. So when someone registers into your account through that subscription form, they will get automate email messages. It's a one-time setup which you can do, and you can see yourself growing on the social media platform and seeing your company or your business growing in a super way. And I believe that if you watch this complete series, it will help you in a lot of way. And I make you believe, once you learn all these automation, that how you can do email marketing, no one's going to stop you. And if you are a student, you can able to add one more skill into your resume, and it will help you, make you understand in the corporate world where you can able to beat others. So that's all I'm going to cover right in this video, where I have completed every single aspect of email marketing. I have tell you that what are the things you have to keep in consideration while designing your email form, while designing your running your campaign. Everything is explained completely. So don't miss out this complete email marketing series and learn how to grow yourself with emails. Data is very important. Everybody is looking for data, running for data. When you go to any website, they are collecting your data. You are searching on web, they are trying to collect your data. So data is everything. If you have the data, you can able to leverage your business, you can able to leverage yourself. That's all I'm going to teach you, that how you can do it. I do it for myself, and I want you guys to do the exact thing which I have been doing from the last 1 year, and I can see the result. If you do and follow all the tips and tricks which I've shared in this complete email marketing series, that how you have to do, how you have to target your audience, I make you this belief that no one's going to stop you and you can grow on these social media platforms. So make sure that you watch the complete series. Don't miss out anything, where I have explained everything completely. After watching this series, you don't need to go to any other tutorial, or you don't need to take any courses for email marketing. You can learn everything. This is the thing which we do, or big marketer do, when they come to increasing their sales, when they come to increasing their followers on social media platforms. So no matter whatever goal you have in your mind, whether you want to sell product, whether you want to do personal branding, that's all possible with this email marketing technique or tool, which is absolutely free. I make you believe it's completely free. You don't need to pay a single penny for using these email marketing software. So let's start. I'll link the video in the description so you can watch those complete series step by step and learn email marketing. So see you in the very first lesson, where I'm going to tell you that what email marketing software we're going to use for this course, and how you're going to create your account, and what are the things you have to keep in mind. Everything is explained briefly. So I'll link the video right up here so you can watch it. So see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.